Hi guys, today we're gonna open some surprises that I got. So let's get them out. First, we have the BFF Surprise Series 1. And then we have some crybabies. And the first thing we have is some accessories. And the last thing is slime. So now we can start opening. First, we're gonna open crybabies. And let's start. I can't open this, my gosh. I have to try to open it. I'm not so good with zippers. Oh, now it's opening. Okay. And okay, I have to open it the other way. I think I have to open it this way because I can't open it at all. Oh. Oh, now I know how it opens. And we opened it so we can put that there. I will just. Now, what do we do here? We open this. Okay. We opened it. Let's see which baby we got. Oh, we got a cute little mouse baby. And we can put this. And we got Lola. So let's put it here. And let's have the checklist. Oh, that's the baby checklist. Well, now let's first open the blind bag that we got. And as we see, now we can. But the blind bag, it's not open. Oh, we have one from here too. Let's see what we got. It's a bottle. Let's see. Oh, it's so cute. We can feed the baby, but it doesn't have water. And this is the baby. And this bottle. But let's open the other blind bag. Oops. Okay, let it. And like this. Now let's see what else we got. It's a chair, I think. Yeah, just let's see. Yeah, it's his chair and his bottle. So cute. So now we can just put them in with his chair and his bottle. And let's close the eggie. No, it's not closing. Oh, put it just like this. It's like a mini little house. And now we open the BFF surprise. And let's see, we got it up. Oh my gosh, the closet. Okay, almost I got it up. Now let's see, we have a crown. Oh, I'm trying to get it out. Let me just do that. I want to open this first. Okay, what do we have in here? So many things. Her boots. Okay. And her bag, marshmallow bag. And the socks. And the necklace. We have 4 things. And now it's time for the doll. Oh, it's oh. Wait, I can't get the crown out. Yes. I'm getting it out. It's out. Let's see our doll a bit. She's so cute. Look at her hair, rainbow hair. Rainbow hair and her beautiful dress and her jacket with wings. And her little cute eyes, her face. So let's get her dressed up. First oh, the socks, I forgot. No, I can't. Now I'm gonna just put the socks. Okay. Okay, I got it. Yeah. For her first foot, and now we are putting the other foot. It's not that easy to get a sock. Like, get her a sock. Okay. And the sock part is done. Let's just put her boots. Her boots. Yeah. Okay. I think that was a wrong boot. Like when I didn't know the foot, which one. And now the other foot. Yep. And now she got her stuff on. And let's put first the necklace. The necklace of the power of friendship. And now we have to put the baggie. And we have to put it like this. Wait. Okay, now our doll is done. How a beautiful doll. Let's just have a look at it. Her wings, she's going up to fly. Because she has the wings. And her beautiful cloud dress. And her beautiful rainbow hair. She's so pretty. She has purple, blue, pink, and yellow colors. And now we can just try to stand her. Oh, her crown. We forgot about it. Let's just put her the crown. And the last thing was the crown. Oops, not like that. Now I have to just... How do we put it? How is she putting it? Okay, like this. No, she's gonna fail. I don't want to put it now. Okay, I'm gonna let her just sit there with Lala and stickers. Now we open the surprises, and now it's time to look at the accessories. And let's open it up. Look at the earrings. Okay, I wanna get them out. They're so pretty. Look at their pink flower color and the sparkly like gem. Pink, sparkly pink. So now I can just put them in their box. And I want the necklace out, but I can't free it out. But let's just count the colors. We have yellow, pink, blue, and pink, another kind of pink. Earrings don't go out. And a little ring. put it with the surprises that we opened. Okay, and the last thing is slime. So let me show you how we open it. Where is it? Like you press, and it says, no, it's not free surprises, like, no surprises in it. It's just a plain slime. But the age-free can't play with it. And my age is like 8, so I can play with it. Because age-free is like a baby. So let's get it out. Let's get it all out of. Oh, I got it all out. It's kind of sticky. Let's play. And it's stretchy. It's stretching by itself. It's stretching. So we can get the slime. It's so fun playing with slime. So now we can put it back. Oops, I have to get my hand. That's how I do it. It's like I get it out of my hand. And now I have to get everything out of my hand. And now let's put it back in its box. And as you know, we had so much fun in the things. Like, look at him, such cute. And the dolls, they are so cute, and the slime and the accessories that we got, those things were so good and pretty. So bye bye. We can see each other again. See me in the other episodes.